Hi, welcome back to my channel Lavanya's Art. Here in this video I am going to share my 1 year journey to become a full-time artist. So back then I was working in a healthcare profession. I did not have any plans of becoming a full-time artist because I did not know that there are opportunities in this profession. Even though I was so much passionate about art, like everybody else, I used to think this is just a hobby. I can't earn from art. So let's see how my thought process have turned in this process and how I have made a plan to quit my job. Quitting job and being a jobless is very difficult for everybody, right? So at least if you come from a low middle class background like me, so you can imagine like how difficult it would be for you not having a job or consistent income source. So that's the reason I'm going to explain you my process of quitting job and how I have planned to become a full-time artist without having to lose my earning capabilities. Back then in 2018, I was still working in healthcare profession. It was almost been 7 years of working there and I was not so happy with my job. So just to get rid of that depression and the boredom of the regular life, I just started drawing and I really did not have any plans of becoming a full-time artist back then. Once I started enjoying the process, I just started sharing my work on social media and I have made my account public by then in 2019. So because of that I started getting little appreciation towards my work and also I started getting some commissioned orders. Since I am a portrait drawing artist, it was little easy for me to get commissioned orders and it was very surprising for me that I could able to earn from doing what I love, and I did not learn drawing anywhere. Being a self-taught artist, being able to earn from my drawings, it was really a big thing for me. However, the earnings were very little. So I started earning in 2018 very little amount from commissioned artworks. So even then I never thought of making it a profession. During that time also. So then lockdown happened. I started working from home. After few months of working from home, I kind of started enjoying working from home. I don't have to go to office, I don't have to travel, and I don't have to see annoying colleagues anymore. Yes, not all of them, but a few of them were really annoying. So what I thought is, so if I could make a profession out of my art, then I don't have to go back to that working environment and I don't have to spend so many hours in traveling. I was also not kind of enjoying my job, so that is also one more reason to make this decision to take art as a full-time profession. So in 2020 October, I have decided that I need to make a plan for my art profession. So by then I was already getting few commissioned artworks, but what I used to earn from that was very little. I started researching about other opportunities to earn from art. I was considering several different options. So back then YouTube was my primary option, so I just considered that YouTube can give me a lot of income if I start making tutorials on YouTube, and also I have started considering being more regular on my Instagram. Even though I was posting on Instagram, I was not so great about it. I just used to click a photos of my drawings and I used to post, and I started learning more about Instagram. I wanted to reach to more people, so that's when I started learning about creating reels, and Instagram had really favored me a lot during that time. So because there was little competition compared to now, so many of my videos gone viral, and because of that I could reach to many people and I got more inquiries for my commissioned artwork. Along with the Instagram, I also started working on my YouTube channel. I created my YouTube channel and I started making regular content on YouTube. I was very new to making videos. I did not know how to speak on camera. I did not know how to record or edit my videos. So my videos were really bad during that time. Even then I made that effort, and I gotten little better with my videos recording and also editing the videos. So like that I uploaded videos every week consistently for 1.5 year. One good thing has happened with this, because I was posting many tutorials on color pencils and also graphite drawing. I started getting inquiries for art classes. People wanted to learn from me. I could never imagine this, like being a self-taught artist, so people approaching me to teach drawing. So because of some little self-doubts, however, I have denied taking classes for few months. But people have seen some potential in me, and they really wanted to learn from me. So then I started teaching art in the beginning of 2021. I started conducting some online workshops, and because I was conducting these online workshops and I was also posting about this on my Instagram as well as on YouTube, what happened, some academies, I mean there are few academies who has approached me as a part-time art tutor. So they used to pay me very little amount, of course. So they used to pay me hourly basis. However, so all these things have contributed for some income. I used to earn from commissioned artworks. Along with that, I used to earn from my online classes, and I was also getting little more income being a part-time tutor in some other art academy. So like this, I started making income about half of my salary of the regular job. So then I thought that okay, so right now I am also working in a corporate office, and also I am able to make some income from art. Being a part-time artist, I could able to earn half of the income, right, of my regular job. So then I thought of okay, so if I leave my job completely and if I focus only into art profession, maybe I could make a same income like how much I am getting in my regular job in this art profession also. And things were not going well in my office during that time. So they were laying off people. People were losing jobs. Yes, in that situation, I felt it was not so good thing to continue working there, and I have left my job in 2021 October. I was getting like around 15k or 20k per month by doing art and conducting online art classes. I thought like if I give my full attention and time into this, I could definitely make good amount of income by doing art. So I decided to quit my job. So because I already had good content on Instagram and also YouTube, it had helped me to take it forward and scale my business. So here one thing I want to tell you is, along with your drawing skills, the marketing also it matters. Your work has to reach to people, right? So you have to concentrate on that as well. Okay, so if you are someone who wants to take it forward and making it a full-time profession, definitely social media is the cheapest option, because you don't have to spend lot of amount of money in the beginning. So that's what I did, and right now I am really happy to have taken that decision in 2021. Right now I am in a good position. Yes, my income has increased very greatly. So even though I was working in a corporate profession, I couldn't have reached this kind of income in this short amount of time. So consistency matters. I have not quit my Instagram, even though I took some breaks in between on YouTube. At least I am consistent on one platform So that had helped me to make it as a full-time profession. If you want to see clearly what and all the different income streams I have adopted as a full-time artist, check this video in the end screen.